Are you looking for the best passive income solution, something almost anyone can do? Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. Stick with me. I'll show you exactly what I'm doing to create long-term passive income and how you can do it too. And before we get going, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. First, just what is passive income and why should you want it? Well, passive income, and sometimes it's called recurring income or residual income, that's money that comes in month after month from a sale you make one time. Imagine getting paid months from now for what you do today. Passive income is my driving force. It's what brought me to the home business industry over 30 years ago. It's what you need to get out of the rat race of just trading your time for dollars like you do in a traditional job or most side hustles. Passive income is what lets me ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer while most people are busy at their jobs. It's how I create both money freedom and time freedom too. Creating passive income is actually easier than most people realize. Here's how you can start creating passive income today. It's what I do. It's a really simple but very lucrative home business anyone can do. No previous experience is needed. It's all done online and only takes a few hours per week from wherever you happen to be. You can even do this while you're at the beach or home watching television. And in addition to building passive income, you can start making money fast. Many new people make money their very first day in our business. Because of the automation of our online system, you can really leverage your time. All you need is a few minutes per day. When you team up with us, we'll give you a complete marketing system for free. A high converting sales funnel with landing pages, sales pages, and follow-up emails. It's the exact same sales funnel I use, but branded to promote you. And we'll teach you how to get traffic to it, lots of traffic for free. It's how we became the fastest growing team in the company. We'll provide you with the best training and support too, and I will be your personal mentor and coach. Nothing will be left to chance. And you're probably wondering about costs. Well, this is the most affordable home business I know of. And no, it's not one of those MLM things where you have to buy a bunch of overpriced stuff every month. In fact, you don't have to purchase anything. This business is easier than you think. To learn more and start creating passive income today, go to my website at easymoneypath.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.